What's going on, y'all? I'm back with another absolutely beginner basic video for my beginner basic video series. And I'm just going over the anatomy of a candlestick. And I'm not going to lie to you, I'm going to let you know right now firsthand. You can likely probably find another video from another trader who greatly explains and breaks down the basics for you. I'm more of a system strategy trader at this point. So I don't look at I look at candlesticks all day. Okay, I look at candlesticks all day. I understand them, I feel them, I know them. What can I explain them? Let's see. So I was just doing it right now, but I'll go ahead and go over it. So this right here is a candle. I'm on the 1 hour time frame as well. So this right here, this candle embodies price from 7 a.m. to 7:59 a.m. the first live 60 of market open. Okay. So since price is going up, we're going up in price. You see it's green and we're two up directional to the upside. We opened right here. Okay. The low of the body. This is the body. And then these are wicks. These are wicks right here. These are wicks. So our low was the low of the wick. Our open was the low of the body. Our close was the high of the body. And then our high was the high of the wick. It's fairly simple there. And then we also have these numbers right at the top. Open here, 681.25. Right there matches up. Close right here, 680. Where's our close? 682.46. That matches up. And then our high and our low. It's fairly simple, okay? And then these are the type of candles that you want to trade off of. Strong candles, nice candles, mostly body, less wick. I kind of have a rule where if a candle is more than 50% wick, I might just fade the play. I don't want to take a trade off that play because it's finicky. And so look at this prior candle right here. More than 50% of this candle is wick. Okay. However, this is a failed to down bar. We failed to push down in price and then stay down in price. So essentially, you could have taken that failed to and bet on failure and went the opposing way, essentially, to make money off that setup. But yeah, this is the wick. This is the wick. This is the body. Okay. Since price is going up, we open down here and we close up here, high up here, and then of course our low right here. The highs and lows are common sense. The open and close may confuse you, so I'll go ahead and go to this candle right here and show you where a red candle, boom, price opens here. Let me go ahead and clear my screen right here, remove 5 drawings. Price opens here, okay? We open here. Since we're pushing down, we should close lower than we open. It's fairly simple. We opened here, the higher, and then our high of this session, this candlestick, was right here. That's our high, the high of the wick. And then we closed down here, right here. And then our low for this session was just the low of the wick. We just go right to the bottom, and this is a magnet. Magnet goes and it just connects to an end much easier. This is our low. So that's pretty much it. If it's a red candle, price is pushing down, we open higher than we close. If price is pushing up, we open lower than we close. We just reverse, okay? And then let me see. We want to go ahead and trade candles, full body candles like this. We don't really like wicky candles. Look at this wiki, just wicks. I'm saying wiki now. Don't really like that. Not the best environment. Now let's go ahead and see. Look at this candle here. So do you see this candle right here? This is a fell directional to the upside, but price is pushing down, signaling just a change in. I call it a pin bar. I got this from a book I read. So I have the physical book somewhere right over here. But I read probably 175 pages, and the only thing I took from it was pin bars. It holds fairly true. I like to see on the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frame mostly. Just signals change in direction. But people also see these as like hammers. Let me see if I can find a better hammer. Hammers just like they further just push price up. I'm not seeing a good hammer, and I probably passed a couple, essentially. But hammers, just go ahead. I'll show you what a hammer is right now. This is a hammer. Turn these magnets off. Boom. Boom. And they're bullish. People like they're bullish. Boom. That's a hammer. Boom. Price is pushing up. Price is pushing up. That's pretty much it. It's a fairly simple video. Anatomy of a candlestick. High. What's the high? What's the open? What's the close? What's the low? Green. How the green matches green. How red matches red. Wicks. If a candle is more than 50% wick, I like to fade them, especially in higher time frames. And what else? There are certain type of candlesticks like dojis, hammers, pin bars, shooting stars, which is basically the opposite of a hammer. You do want to go ahead and check out as well. Those do mean a lot, but again, that's the absolute basics. You like full body wicks. If you could do nothing, trade full body wicks. Strong candles where price push strongly. See how we barely have any wick right here? We opened here, we pushed down some, but we barely have any wick, and we push strongly up. That's a strong candle. It's a strong 60-minute candle. You can easily get calls at the continuation of that move and call it a day and make money, okay? So try to go ahead and trade full body candles. It's fairly easy, and again, sucky video. You can probably find some, not sucky at all. This is a great video, well explained. It's as simple as I see candles. Okay, I don't really see much more than wick, no wick. 50%, no 50%, essentially. So all I have to say, tune into my other videos, part of my series. I have time frames. I'm gonna drop a video on unorthodox time frames, the unorthodox time trader. I have the strat on here, and a couple other videos. Again, Discord link in my bio. Mentorship's available right now at the price of $1,000. That price will be increasing sooner than later, the next few weeks. As I further build, I want to go ahead and create a culture of highly motivated traders who are on the same page of get money quick and easy. So yeah, that's what I'm building now. My Discord will be coming with indicators, scanners, and more quant level data to go ahead and make more high probability, high risk decisions. So yeah, if you're interested in that, do tune in. Again, Discord link in the bio. I tend to yap a lot at the end of my videos. Anatomy of a candlestick explained. Should be more than no more than 5 to 7 minutes this video. Again, tune in to me, follow, subscribe, drop a comment if you like the video, if you have any questions. Adios.